Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and let's do the settings for a short answer, fill in the blank with an answer key in TestGen. So in Tools, select Preferences and then Test Options. And the key, I have Show Answer Key. And then for descriptors, I have Correct Answer so that I can type in the answer into the original question. If I turn this off, if I disable this and hit OK, then whenever I print the test, it will print the test without the answer showing. But the trick is that to be able to enter the answers, to make an answer key, one has to choose Tools, Preferences, Test Options, and then go to Descriptors and pick the correct answer so that there will be a blank open for you to put the correct answers. I've done this several times and I keep having to coach myself all the way through it. It's not very intuitive to me, so I hope this helps.